Hi guys, I'm Geetika, a QuickBooks Pro Advisor, and today we're going to talk about audit history in QuickBooks Online. Now, why on earth is this so important? It's important because it leaves an audit trail, and also when you're managing many users in QuickBooks Online and you want to see which user has done what changes and when. So, a great tip and a very important thing to do in QuickBooks. Let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to search a transaction. Let's take this one. So it is applicable, you can do it in every transaction. There's this amazing more button here, and we'll click to audit history. And what we can see here is what has been edited and by which user. So currently I have only edited. So, this is what I've created. It is edited. Now what has been edited? The amount is highlighted in yellow color. Okay, and again I've edited it, and again the amount is highlighted in yellow color. And I have also changed the product or service. That we can see it has been changed from sales to hours. So this is what we can see. Now what if you want to compare it? Okay, so you can click the compare button here, and you can see the comparisons of the last two changes. So we can see that the yellow highlighted figure is the changed one. You can click on next to see the changes between the first and two changes, and that's the amount in yellow. Now what if you don't want to see all this and you just want to see the changes? You click on show changes only, and again you can see what were the changes. Just the amount this time, here the amount as well as the service. So this is a very great thing if you want to manage people and what changes do they do. Also, it provides a great audit trail. Now also what we can do is we can click on the gear icon here, and we can click on audit log here. Now this basically provides an overall view of what changes has been made by which user and when. Now this is a great thing for the audit trail. See, we can see here. Now what if you want to find out that which person has done what event? So we can even filter it out here. So you can select whatever user you want. You can select the date change filter, and what events do you want? Like, do you want all transactions, only the budget, deleted, voided transaction, list, permission changes? Everything is there, and it's a great thing, and I would highly recommend it for people who are working with many users and keeping a great audit trail. Let me know how do you find it in the comment section below, and yes, don't forget to subscribe.